Some Ukrainians learning English may not know that changing which syllable you stress in a word can completely change what you mean. It's true. For example, consider the word record. When you stress the first syllable, it becomes a noun, as in a record of events. But when you stress the second syllable, it turns into a verb, as in to record a video. This small shift can make a big difference in communication. In English, word stress plays a crucial role in understanding and being understood. It's not just about pronunciation, it's about conveying the right meaning. Misplacing stress can lead to misunderstandings, which can be particularly challenging in professional or academic settings. This might seem strange at first, especially coming from Ukrainian, where word stress usually doesn't change the basic meaning of a word. In Ukrainian, the meaning of words is more often determined by the context or the structure of the sentence rather than the stress on a particular syllable. But don't worry, mastering this aspect of English pronunciation is achievable with practice and the right guidance. Start by listening carefully to native Ensli speakers and mimicking their stress patterns. Use online resources by clicking on the one in the description below now. With professional lessons from native Ukrainian speakers, you'll find that your ability to communicate clearly and effectively in English will improve significantly in a short period of time. Clear communication is key in any language. For Ukrainians learning English, mastering word stress is like unlocking a secret code to fluency. Proper word emphasis helps you be understood more easily by native English speakers, avoid misunderstandings in awkward situations, and speak with more confidence and fluency. English word stress can be tricky because there are no strict rules for which syllable to emphasize. This is different from Ukrainian, where word stress patterns are more predictable. Some common challenges include words that are spelled similarly but have different stress patterns, like record as a noun versus record as a verb, long words with multiple syllables, and the influence of regional accents on word stress. Section 4. The meaning-changing magic of word stress. Let's look at some examples of how word stress can completely change the meaning of a sentence. Word stress is the emphasis we place on certain syllables within words, and it can drastically alter the message we convey. For instance, consider the sentence, "I didn't say we should desert the project." Here, the word desert means to abandon. But if we change the stress, it can mean something entirely different. Now take the word desert in the sentence. The Sahara is a vast desert. In this context, desert refers to a dry, sandy area. The stress on the first syllable changes its meaning. Another example is the word record. When we say please record the meeting, we stress the second syllable, meaning to capture audio or video. However, in the sentence, "That's my favorite record," the stress is on the first syllable, referring to a vinyl album. These examples show how crucial word emphasis is for clear communication. By understanding and using word stress correctly, we can avoid misunderstandings and ensure our message is conveyed accurately. So next time you speak, pay attention to your word stress. Section 5. Real-life confidence. Ordering coffee like a pro. Imagine you're at a coffee shop in Chicago. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, and the cozy ambiance makes you feel right at home. You step up to the counter, ready to place your order. You want to order a large cappuccino, but you accidentally stress the wrong syllable in cappuccino. Instead of saying cappuccino, you say cappuccino, and the barista looks puzzled. This small mistake can lead to a big misunderstanding. The barista might misunderstand and give you the wrong size or even a completely different drink. You might end up with an espresso instead of a cappuccino, or a small size when you wanted a large. This can be frustrating, especially if you're in a hurry or really craving that perfect cup of coffee. However, if you use the correct word stress, cappuccino, your order will be clear, and you'll get your delicious coffee without any confusion. The barista will understand you perfectly, and you'll receive exactly what you wanted. So, next time you're at a coffee shop, remember to pronounce your order correctly. It makes a world of difference and ensures you start your day on the right note with the perfect cup of coffee. Section 6. Embrace the power of word emphasis. Mastering word emphasis is a journey, not a race. Remember these key points. Word stress is essential for clear communication in English. Ukrainians often face challenges with word emphasis due to differences in pronunciation rules. Changing the stressed syllable can completely alter the meaning of a word. Section 7. You can do it. Don't be afraid to practice and make mistakes. Listen carefully to how native speakers emphasize words. Use the best online resource by clicking the link in the description below now to discover how you can learn all about English pronunciation rules today from native Ukrainian speakers. With time and effort, you'll master this important aspect of English pronunciation and speak with more confidence and clarity. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be amazed at how much progress you've made.